Okay, for this question, what we are going to do is they ask you, this is actually a reciprocal graph. They ask you that you find the coordinates of the point where the line crosses the x-axis. The line crosses the x-axis at this point here. That's the only point where the curve touches the x-axis. So that's going to be when x is 2 and y is 0. So that one is straight and direct. There's no point, there's nothing you can do there. Now they said find the equation of each asymptote. An asymptote is a line that is drawn very close to but does not touch that particular curve. So if you look at it here now, if you continue this as this curve here, so this curve it goes like this. It goes like this, but it will never touch this line. This line you see here. This line is a line y equals to minus y. You see, look at the same thing with the other curve. Same thing with this curve as well. It will never touch that line. So we call it the asymptote. So the first asymptote I'm seeing here is what? Y equals to what? Minus 1. Then the second asymptote is this line that you see here. This y-axis is coming down. It will never touch this curve. This curve, as this curve is coming down, it will never touch it to infinity. Look at the curve. And the curve is going like this. It will never touch it. So the line will be coming like that. That's the asymptote. And that line is the line x equals to 0. So those are the two asymptotes for that graph. Now the next question is talking about you need to draw a suitable line to touch that curve. Now you need to compare this equation with the general equation that they give you. So if you look at it, I will bring this equation here, 2 over x minus 1 is equal to 0. I'm going to compare this one with this one. Look at it and see which one is given, what is given in that question. You can see from this question here, you notice that 2 over x is here, 2 over x is here. So I want to put this one down, 2 over x. Then minus 1 is here. I'm going to leave the minus 1. Now the only thing that we don't know is this one. So I'm going to take it to the other side. So this is going to be what? 0 minus x. That x will turn to positive, that minus turn to positive. So this is going to be 2 over x minus 1 is equal to what? X. Now if you look at it very well, you see that this one is equal to what? Y. So that means that y is equal to x. So this is the equation of the line we want to draw. So y equals to x means that when x is 1, y is 1. When x is 2, y is 2. So you plot that line. X is 1, y is 1. X is 2, y is 2. X is 3, y is 3. Just like that. That's the straight line where it's going to pass everywhere. Minus 1, minus 1. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus 3. Every point. So you draw that straight line, pass it to the point. Pass it to the point as it is. With your ruler, please. So they ask you to define the point where they meet. So to solve that equation, it means the position where they meet. Consider the curve meet the line here and here. Another point, the x coordinate is when x is 1. See that x is 1 and also x equals to what? Minus 2. So that is the solution to this particular question on exponential function. I hope you find it useful. If you have any issue or you have anything to add, please feel free and meet me in the comment section. Thanks for, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.